Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Opinions Matter. And the Hero 8 is out, and everybody might be very excited about the new Hero 8, but the thing is that DJI actually had made this a long time back, and you have already seen the video in the channel and everything, the comparison between the DJI Osmo Action and other devices and stuff like that. The DJI Osmo Action actually boasts of this front kind of screen. So as you can see, there is a screen in the front, and then you press a button and it toggles to the back. So that's how this thing actually came up, and there was a lot of lag and everything. The new updates have come in, and in the new updates this DJI Osmo Action has improved by far a lot. But today we are going to talk about we are going to show you a few accessories that just came in, launched by Ulanzi. So these are the few accessories that are highly recommended, not cost you a fortune like a lot of Hero 8 accessories would be, and they are still on pre-order. You can literally go ahead and buy this if you are doing any vlog kind of stuff. You do not need any weird screen that's popping up on the top or anything. So let's dive in and check out all the accessories that I got today. Alright guys, so I hope you guys can see everything with a top angle view, because there was no other way I can show this. So there my this is my desk, so I've got like a strip out here, so you guys will be good with this. So as you know that the Osmo Action, you can actually rotate this ring and you can change filters and everything. So when you want to change filters, all you need to do is take this out and you pop another filters. With the new Hero 8, you cannot do that. So you cannot change filters with the new GoPro Hero 8. So simply by adding that, you can actually use ND filters. So as you can see right now, I have this ND8. Usually it's recommended that you use ND64, but if you want to put ND8 filters, all you need to do is just unscrew the top part and then just screw in your Osmo Action. And how will the footage look with an ND8? We are going to check that out in one of our videos where I fly my drones and everything with the Osmo Action. I'm still waiting for the 3D printed part which I've ordered, so which is supposed to arrive maybe next month or so, because it's a custom 3D print. So that's how you can easily change out ND filters. I would recommend you just select ND64. ND8 might be too, yeah, you can go for ND8, but it's not that useful, I think I would say go for ND64. But then again, if you're going from shadows to dark, then ND8 again actually becomes better. So it depends upon which solution you're using it for. So that's pretty much it for the ND8. Now these are polarizers. Polarizers will not allow you to get on a bright day sunlight, but it actually saturates the color a lot. So if I open the box really quick, so same stuff, they actually give you this metal filing. You can actually make another cutout, put two more filters out here. All you need to do is just take this one and same stuff, screw out and screw in your polarizer. With this said in the side, we are now going to see the Osmo Action vlog case. Basically what it does is that I have a light running right out here. As you can see, this light, I use this when I'm going at night and stuff like that. My setup is not big, but this is a very usable setup I have. So whatever you're seeing, I use this kind of on a daily basis. So let's unbox this really quick and let's show you this. Let me show you this lanyard. This lanyard is pretty cool by Ulanzi. So this is like a soft mount case and a lanyard, so it fits very snug. You can actually see how it goes in, and it does not obstruct any view or anything. The microphones are pretty clear. You press the power button and quick switch, and that's how you are going to see or check that this lanyard actually doesn't block anything. Actually it makes your stuff look very rigid, and this is a very premium lanyard. And all you do is just put this thing on the side, and they have a lens cap also, so whenever you're done or anything, you can actually put a lens cap on top of it. Very neat, huh? What do you guys think? Very neat, very uniquely made actually. You put the lens cap like this, very uniquely made. I like this lanyard system more than I like the GoPro ones. Looks pretty awesome. So now we're going to change this one, and we're going to open up the vlog case, and we'll figure out how to put the vlog case on it. So the vlog case actually is going to be a replacement of this case that actually comes in your package. By the way, guys, if you didn't receive this, do contact DJI, because some of you guys might have not received this like mounts or anything. If you did not receive this mount, please contact DJI about it, because I'm getting a lot of reports that DJI sometimes is forgetting to include these mounts. So if you need these mounts, do contact them. And let's open this up really quick. Do we have anything? No, nothing out there. A wrench, I know probably what is this wrench for, so we will see that. Some custom kind of mounts. Very interesting. I'm really interested on this one because I don't know. Okay, this is very interesting. This case looks really rigid. I'm super excited, guys. So let's open this up. Hold on a second. So it comes like this. Okay, so it fits like this. Okay, so we take the Osmo Action. Snug fit. Looks cool. We'll protect the front, and then I just drop this one from the top, right? Okay. Very snug, very snug. I don't want any scratch on the screen, Ulanzi. Come on. Okay. Wow, that's a fit. I didn't even have to do anything. So all you need to do is that if you want to use this on mounts or anything, you can use this solitary, like just, I would actually not even put anything. All I would do is put this thing, use a regular kind of a tripod, and put it on my tripod mount, like on a Gorilla Pod or anything. This actually feels way more solid, and I can put my lights and everything on top of it. Do I have a place? Yeah, I can access all the buttons. I can access my SD card, my quick steady switch. Really very interesting. And you've got cold shoe mounts out here and cold shoe mounts on the top. Well, this vlogging rig actually would make a lot of sense, because you can add on to a lot of accessories on this. So that's going to be your vlogging kit by Ulanzi. And then we got then we got the ND polarizer, sorry, the ND8 filter, and then we got the circular polarizer filter, which makes a lot of sense, and a lanyard. So these are the current accessories that are available. If you guys want to know whether the Osmo, whether the audio and everything is working or not, it is not working. So right now, these are all the accessories that you can buy. There'll be a link below. You can click on the link. I do not earn any commission or anything. You can buy it from Banggood if you want. Personal testings, if you want to watch it, you can watch it. It will be posted very soon. I do a lot of drone videos, so I'll be using the Osmo Action more for drone videos, and we'll let you know. Alright guys, that's all from the channel today, and that was like all the accessories that I had received. I will do a very detailed review on the filters, because I don't want you to just think that the filters are there, but these are the accessories that I would highly recommend. For vlog kits, you do not need to put an extra accessory on the top. You already got a screen in the front, and that way what's make DJI Action, Osmo Action way far ahead of the league compared to the GoPro Hero 8. And yep, that's the point of view from the channel. So DJI Osmo Action accessory, now go ahead and vlog like a pro. Take care.